You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features, this spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.